Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to make our JL more well received. The factory antenna on your Jeep Wrangler is a bit obnoxious and lacks a custom touch. So today, to fix that problem, we're going to be installing this rugged ridge 6-inch reflex antenna onto our 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler. This rugged ridge 6-inch reflex antenna features a durable black plastic construction and is going to hang much lower than the factory antenna. This is going to be great for when you're out on the trails. This antenna is going to fit all 07 through 2018 JK Wranglers as well as the brand new 2018 JL. It includes both the adapters needed for a direct bolt-on installation. With that being said, let's get it thrown onto our 2018 JL. We're at the passenger side of our JL, and the only tool you need is an adjustable wrench. We're going to get the factory antenna off and then throw in our new reflex antenna. Put the adjustable on, get it to the right size, then we're going to twist it counterclockwise. Just a little twist will break it free. If you rock it back and forth, you can spin it out by hand. Just like that, the antenna is removed. This kit includes two different size adapters. In our application for the JL, we're going to use this larger one. You can set aside the other adapter. We're going to start the adapter with the larger end in. Get it hand tight, and then once you get the antenna on, you'll keep twisting it. It'll push that down once you bottom out this on the antenna. Go ahead and grab your reflex antenna and start to thread it on the top here. Once you have it nice and tight, your installation is complete. We just finished up the installation of the rugged ridge 6-inch reflex antenna on our brand new 2018 JL Wrangler. It looks really great, plus it took away that bulky antenna that was on there from stock. You only need an adjustable wrench to do it, and it literally takes about 5 minutes. You can find it here as well as many other great parts for your JL at cjponyparts.com.